Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing today? It is cold out here. I don't know where you guys live, but it's chilly. I'm Loving Life Freely here on YouTube. I am a full-time reseller on different platforms. And I have a unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a while. This is from Untamed Thread. I've absolutely loved her boxes. I will definitely link her posting below as far as her website where I get these items. I know some of you ordered from her before, and I know that you've liked it. I've always really appreciated Untamed Thread. So stay tuned. We'll see what's in the box, okay, you guys? Okay, guys, I'm unboxing this. Like I said, I haven't ordered one of these in a while. And one of the reasons is I've just had a lot of things going on. A lot of my life has changed lately. My schedule has changed lately quite dramatically. So I'm rolling with it. You know, I'm trying to get used to new things. Plus, I'm in the middle of figuring out what I want to do with my business next year, and I'm going in a really different direction. If you're kind of new to what I am doing, I normally sell on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. I've also added Depop. I started doing live jewelry sales maybe about a month ago. I was doing them kind of sporadically on and off, and then I was really dealing with vertigo. I'm doing much better, still have vertigo once in a while, but I'm managing it much better, which I'm very thankful for, because if you've ever had vertigo, you'll know what I mean. When like hits hard, you just have a really hard time balancing to do anything. It's very frustrating. I'm doing so much better now, so I'm really trying to get back on top of regular videos. Because I am switching away from doing more clothing and doing more jewelry, we're going to be doing a lot more of these jewelry shows. But because I am unboxing a clothing box, I'm going to give you guys an opportunity on this video to actually purchase from what's in here as well. So if anything in here is of interest to you, I will let you know how much I'm going to sell it for. And then you can email me at freedylovinglife7@protonmail.com with your mailing address, the item, you know, the brand, what it is. I haven't pulled numbers out or anything like that. Let me know what you're interested in. And once you receive an invoice via PayPal, I do require payment immediately, and then I usually ship within the next day. So if anything is of interest to you in here, let me know. On top of that, we're going to be doing a lot more jewelry sales on here, you guys. Between brand new jewelry and the pre-owned vintage, you know, fashion jewelry, all those great pieces, we're going to be doing a lot more jewelry sales on here. So it's going to be actually going to be for sale during the actual YouTube video. I know some other people do this, and honestly, I really am kind of looking forward to doing more of those. For now, let's dive into this wonderful box from Untamed Thread and see what we got this time. We have a Betsy Johnson. Now, it doesn't have a tag, but it shows here that it probably had a tag. But I am going to do this as a pre-owned. This is a size medium. It's a very pretty. This is so perfect for the season coming up, you guys, right after winter, for springtime, like in January, February time. Especially for those who don't get cold weather. This is so perfect for that. So, size medium on this, super cute. I will do this one for, we'll do this one for $10. If anybody's interested in the Betsy Johnson dress, we'll do that one for $10. I think that's a very reasonable price for a dress for Betsy Johnson. So let me know if you're interested in that. Again, that was the size medium. This is Tommy Hilfiger. It's a double extra large, and it's a sweater. It is a cardigan sweater. This is so cute. So cute. If anybody's interested in this one, it is a double extra large. It looks like it has 3/4 sleeves. It's a medium peach, which I love peach, and then kind of a lighter knit peach. It is knitted. It is a cardigan sweater. It's got really cute button detail here. And yeah, again, it's a size double extra large. I do believe this is probably cotton. Let me double check. Oh, it doesn't have the tag in it. But it's probably cotton or cotton blend. And we'll do this one also for just $10. What else do we have in here? Whew, it's chilly up here. Alright, Vince, size medium. This is a super cute, wider pit, kind of like bat wing, but not really extensively. It's a wider pit sweater. And let me double check here. I think this has a snag on it. Okay, just letting you guys know. This does have a snag on it, but it is trimmable. It doesn't affect the actual piece. I can trim that and it's not going to affect it at all. It's kind of like just like a loose thread there. So that's fine. Size medium. If it was like really pulling on it, I wouldn't do that. So yeah, this has kind of like the V thing there. But yeah, so this is Vince. We'll do this one for $8. So Vince, size medium, little sweatshirt because it got that snag. We'll do that one for just $8. All right, guys. This is Torrid. It is a 00. Torrid 00. This is a really cute, very boho top that has a front button detail on it. This is really, really pretty. It does have cuff sleeves, and it also has a little bit of a high-low hemline. It's got the curved hemline. I like this. This is really pretty. I love the greens. I'm not a big pink girl, but I love the greens. So again, this is the size 00. We'll do $10 on that. Oops. Okay. All right. This is Athleta size 8. Athleta size 8. Super cute. These are cut off. So they're distressed cut off. Size 8. Let me do a waist on that for y'all, just in case. It does look like they're cut-off pants. Alright, the waist on this, in case anybody's interested. This is one of the reasons why I love doing jewelry. Alright, they're roughly about a size 30. Maybe like a 31. Okay, and then the inseam on these, because they are a little bit of a crop, is 25. Inseam is 25. Okay, so Athleta, we'll do $10 on those. Those are in really good condition. Alright, Loft and Taylor, size 4. This is a polyester dress. This has some really beautiful beadwork on it. It's all stitched on. Really beautiful beadwork. It is a shift dress. I would say probably, depending on how tall you are, around the knee, below the knee, just below the knee, depending on how tall you are. It is lined. It is lined. Again, it's a size 4 polyester. Really, really pretty dress. This would be really nice with even a jean jacket, a blazer, whatever works. So we'll do just $10 on that, guys. All right, Vineyard Vines, size 8. This was a skirt, if I recall. Vineyard Vines, size 8. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It's a really cute tiered skirt. Size 8, it has a belt on it. Has a belt, it does have a side zip closure. Guys, this is super cute. Size 8, we'll do that one for just $10. Okay. Alright, London Times, size 14. This is a dress. It has kind of like a little bit of a cap sleeve on it here. And it's got kind of like the floral retro geometric print to it. And then the base does have kind of like the chevron detail. I'm going to say this is probably polyester, but let me double check. Yes, polyester. And again, it is a size 14W. It is partially lined on the top. Size 14W. Has some really cute ruching up here on the top, on the front here. So very, very pretty. Again, that would look really, really cute with the jean jacket as well. All right. Next we have Sexy Sensual Cacique, size 26. These are some pants. Size 26. We'll do these for $8. Okay. All right. Did I give a size on this? Sorry, 26, 28. They are polyester. We'll do those for $8. Okay, what else do we have in here? All right, guys, we have some Free People here. Free People, size Size small or size 6? Well, 6 is smaller. Size 8. Size 8, so it's a medium. These are super cute elastic waist. They are cargo. They are a crop. Super cute, kind of like no, I'm trying to think. Oh, of course my phone's ringing. All right. This one has just a tiny bit of wear on the back here. Just a tiny little bit of wear on the back here. So we're going to do these probably for just $5. Yeah, we'll do these for $5. It does have a belt on them. It is zip. Oh, no, they're buttoned. Button with a belt. Button closure. We'll do these for $5 because, like I said, they have, where was it? Maybe it's on the front. I thought I saw just like a little wear on something. They're very, very thin. It's a very thin fabric. Okay. So anyway, we'll do those for $5, like I said. All right, what is this? Something very pretty and floral. All right, it looks like another skirt. Ann Taylor, size medium. This is a super pretty lined skirt, size medium. This is so pretty. Very cottagecore, beautiful floral, peach with greens. So, so pretty. Elastic waist. Very, very cute. I would say it's definitely like a midi, almost down to the floor. We'll do this one for just $10. Okay, we'll do that one for $10. All right, Calvin Klein size small. This is a gorgeous sweater, guys. Size small. This is like a mini dress. This could be a mini dress. See how long that is? Okay, so this is a size small. I'm a large, so this is definitely like a little mini dress. All right. It is made in China. Let me double check the fabric. I feel it's cotton. Acrylic. It's acrylic. 100% acrylic. And it is hand washed, which is what I was expecting. Beautiful, beautiful cable knit, turtleneck sweater, long shirt dress, whatever you want to do. Just $10 on that one as well. Okay, Royal Robbins, size medium, super cute, quilted puffer vest, purple, size medium. This is super cute. Okay, we'll do that one for $8. All right. All right, this one is Motherhood, size small, brand new with tags. This one retails for $60, guys. Motherhood, which is Motherhood Maternity. This is a dress, brand new with tags. It is lined. It's got the belt on the back. Super cute pin tuck detail here. Very pretty blue floral. Again, the size on this is a size small petite. We'll do this one for $12, guys, because this is a nice maternity dress. Brand new with tags. We'll do this one for $12. Okay? Very, very pretty. All right, and the last one on this box is ModCloth, size small. ModCloth, size small, absolutely adorable. Fit flare. It is like a rust orange with floral embroidered detail all over it. Is that embroidered? No. No, it's just like a textured knit. I thought it was embroidered, but it's a textured knit. It's super cute. Again, the color is rust orange with the white textured knit flower on it. And then you've got the pin tucking here. Really adorable cap sleeves, fit flare. It's got accented gold zipper in the back. So, so cute. Again, ModCloth. So this is Anthropologie. This is adorable. All right, and this one is cotton polyester blend. So cotton polyester blend, and it is. It doesn't say wash, but I would say probably if you're going to machine wash, then I would air dry this. I always air dry most of my stuff anyway. But yeah, so this one will do for $15, guys. Size small, $15 for this really, really pretty dress. And that is the box, guys. Like I said, I'll link her information down below. She does men's and women's boxes. Very, very, very reasonable cog, you guys. Untame Thread has just been fantastic. So yeah, check this out. And again, if there's anything in this box that you're interested in, shoot me an email. I do have another jewelry unboxing coming up, guys. Another box here. We'll probably have 2 videos on that one. When I do these videos, they can be up to an hour and a half long, which is a very, very long video. So I'm going to break it up and do 2 videos per box. That way we're not going quite so long in the video. We'll do like 20, 25 pieces depending on how much is in the box. That way it's broken down to more like in half hour, 45 minutes per box, okay? So we'll do 2 videos on that. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for this unboxing. Again, I will link her information down below. I hope you all are doing good. I hope you're thinking about what you want your business to be next year. Cannot believe we're saying that already. Seriously, it is already almost mid-December. Almost mid-December. I think it's like the 8th today. That's just crazy to me. So, be thinking about what you want your business to look like next year. You want to take ideas out, put ideas in, mix ideas, all kinds of good stuff. So, we'll talk about that more later too. Guys, thank you again always for joining me. As always, be productive, and we'll see you in the next one.